Hi, welcome to All-in-One Academy. Welcome to Python class, Kids Learn Python. Course description. This is a complete Python programming course recommended for age 7 years old and plus. Master the programming language Python with lessons, quizzes, and projects designed for real-life scenarios. Create portfolio projects and intelligent applications. Whether you are a kid or adult, or beginner or experienced developer, this course is for you. Python is a great programming language with which to start learning to code. If you are looking for HTML CSS, then please enroll in HTML CSS class for the web design course. What are the course requirements? If you need a certificate of completion for the class, please do the following. Register on the board at https://allin1-board.com. Next, complete the placement test on the board. Also, come back here to watch the videos for the class. Finally, complete your class board and get at least 80%. Note, this course is also designed for any student who has no or some basic foundations in computer or has completed successfully informatic general class. The course resources. You need to get your class book, contact your instructor. You need to get also Slack to discuss with your instructor and your classmates. And finally, you need to get an account on the board for assignments, quiz, and exams. Now, the course outcomes. At the end of this course, every student enrolled will be able to build simple animations for creating your own games. Use the Tinker module TK GUI Toolkit interface. Create programs with slightly more advanced graphics and animation. Create small other real-life applications. For help, for assistance, please write an email to info@allinone-academy.com.